That's a really short test. Wow, they've gone to just doing noon blast. That's different. Alright, so the siren that you currently hear doing well is over on St. Mary's Road. Towards the beginning of the test here on the Columbus system, you probably noticed that there was a siren that talked, and that was pretty much it. That siren is out Well, let me see if you can see it. It's out that way, and that's at Belvedere Park. Belvedere Park, however you say it. I think I can hear a siren still running an air horn. Well then. Well, the siren on St. Mary's Road said I ain't having it today. Just died. It ran for 3 minutes last week, and it kind of died right on the last wind down, like that last wind down cycle that the sirens have in Whale. It died right before it could completely wind all the way down. So I guess I don't know what's wrong with that siren. I don't know, maybe the batteries are going in it. Anyway, that's my 2 cents and a test of the Columbus Muskogee County system and Fort Benning siren system through the Ambiance. Wow, they do noon blast now. I'm gonna have to go out there and record a siren next week. See what it sounds like doing noon blast instead of the 20-30-20 sort of scheme that they've been doing. Alright.